We see them how we switch from manual to automatic and the rest. Maybe it might give us more value. So I'll join you in the theater so that we do it.
To ensure that everything is okay, there are no leakages. So the system takes around one to 2 minutes, then you're done. So this is just a perioperative checklist. Verify the emergency breathing bag. Check the patient's suction device. In case you've given your sedative drugs and your patient probably has secretions, you need to do that. This is just a perioperative check. And then check your monitors and alarms if you have everything. And then check oxygen cylinder pressure. Of course, we've checked. It's adequate. Anything above 3.5, it's fine. So you're giving your oxygen at the same time you're giving your SIVO.
What is the PTB? What is that?
PTB is transpulmonary pressure. But now we don't monitor it because this is why you do it. Transpulmonary pressures.
This is the Mindray A9 Anesthesia Machine. Comes with all the accessories. It's really a nice machine with modern technology. It's really friendly to use. With a little bit of practice, anybody in anesthesia can really use this.
My name is Julius Nembari. I've had an experience of the Mindray Anesthesia Machine. I think it's a very good machine. It gives us parameters that we monitor during anesthesia, intra-op monitoring, post-op monitoring, and pre-op monitoring. And so far, I find it very cool. Actually prevents you from doing a lot of manual work, and I really like it.
The machine is quite easy to use. I think with a little more experience, I'll be quite good at it. So I'm looking forward to using it.
Today we had training on a new anesthesia machine, the Mindray A9. And what I can say about the machine is it is easy to use. It has autopilot mode and it has a low flow anesthesia features. It has an HFNC for patients with difficult areas. Thank you, Mindray and HealthTech Ghana Limited.